Today we are going on a walk. Look at these flowers. We're going inland today. I've mapped out a little route and yeah, I'm just going to go on a little hike, go see some cool places. I think there's some ruins nearby, like some old ruins, and like a little nature reserve thing that we're going to walk around and yeah, just do the thing, just have a look around at the prettiness of Cunit. And yeah, just chill, take it easy. We're heading home tomorrow, like quite early. We have to leave at like 6. So just taking the day to chill and rest and see the last bits and have a nice walk, and then we might head down to the beach again. No, this way, darling. All the way to the end. My bad, I didn't say the first right, I said straight down and then right.
It was a bit confusing because there was a main road that I was like...
Fair enough, yeah, fair enough. I did not communicate very effectively. Yeah, it's nice. So much to look at, everything's so pretty. So many beautiful flowers and plants, and buildings are nice, and I've seen some fruit that I've never seen before. I don't know what it is. I'm going to look that up when I get home. Whoa, can I just have a look at these flowers? Look at these. Like, that is huge. Like, there's my finger. And then the flowers are like really massive. Those are beautiful. Huh. Very, very, very big flowers. What are those? These are them. There you go in front, darling. Oh, yeah. Let's see what we can go find. On a little walk, and I've seen these little fruits, and I've never seen them before. Well, they're not little actually. They're about the size of an orange, maybe a bit bigger. But they like seem to ripen into a red colour. Cool. Might look those up when I get home. So we've just come across this like little doggy play park, which I thought was quite cute. And there's like a little thing, the dog to press, and there's water, and you can shut the gate, and it's got things for them to jump through. How cute is that? Little doggy play park. Oh. This cool little guy. I like the way this guy moves. He's cute. And that is a very cool, pretty plant. Hey there, Mr. Millipede. How are you doing? I'm fine, thank you. How are you? He's a cutie. So this is our first stop. Let's go for a walk. Okay, I found like the most bizarre plant, tree, bush thing. And it looks like mini holly. So like, here's my fingers, here's the tiny holly, right? You'd think holly, right? But then it has like acorns on it. And they're like, what's that about? If anybody knows what this plant is, I'm going to try and Google it when I get back. But yeah, bizarre holly oak mix. Hoke. So, don't know if you can see, but this looks like a big stunt park. There's like ramps that go up. and it's all been made like bumpy, like a dirt track. And there's a really cool big tunnel over here. That's cool anyway. It'd be fun to ride a motorbike over that.
Dirt bike as well, that'd be.
Well, yeah, dirt bike. You know what I mean. Same. A bike that's motorised.
Trying to get this.
Size on these beasties.
I'm touching Caleb. This geezer's got a corpse attached to him. There we go. Freedom.
Oh.
I had to get the other ant. Seems an ant had bitten its leg post-mortem and it couldn't get it off. I'm assuming they had a fight because its limbs were chopped off. What kind of ants are these?
I don't know, but they're big motherfuckers.
Won't be bullet ants.
I wouldn't want to be bitten by one.
Apparently the bullet ant is the most painful thing to be bitten by ever.
Really?
That's why it's called that. Very, very painful.
I've seen like things where they use ant heads, like
To stitch.
Yeah.
They used to do that back in the day.
Back in the day.
You would get it to bite it and then cut its head off and it would keep biting.
Pretty cool though. So we've walked quite a bit and we've come across these like ruins. Can't really read what they're about because it's all in Spanish and Catalonian. But like they've just built a flyover over it. They preserved it, kinda. Just built a flyover over it. You can't actually get in and walk around it or anything. But no, we enjoyed the walk. And it's got like a cool thing. You can see people used to live here at one point and do stuff like, you know, make bread and have animals and things. There you go. Old rocks in the shape of a house. So we just found some fossils, which are pretty cool. If you can see. And shells. Oh no, that's almost a full one. And some little mushrooms too, which you don't find often in Spain, I don't think. It's quite dry. Yeah, cool.